Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to play Among Us on your PC. So in this video, I'll walk you through two ways on how to install the game. So the first method is paid, and the second method lets you install it completely for free. So this is really helpful if you want to play Among Us on your computer, whether you're buying it on Steam or using an Android emulator. So first, go to store.steampower.com and sign in to your account. You can also just open your Steam app if you already have it. But in this tutorial, I'm going to use the website since the steps are the same. Now go to the search bar and search Among Us. So from the list, select the game that you want and open it. Scroll down a little bit and click the Add to Cart button. Then proceed to check out and purchase the game. And then after you buy it, the game will be added to your Steam library. So from there, you can simply install it and play the game on your PC. So for the second method, open a new tab on your browser and search for BlueStacks. So BlueStacks is basically an Android emulator that lets you run Android apps on your Windows PC. So on the BlueStacks page, click the blue download button, and then the software will start downloading. And once it's done, open the app and sign in. And then after you're signed up and logged in, you'll land on the main page. Now go to the search bar and search for Among Us. Open it and click on Install from Google Play. And once the game has been installed, it will ask you to sign into your Play Store account. So just simply sign in and then you'll be able to play Among Us through BlueStacks on your PC. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and for more videos like this, hit the subscribe button.